Court Uncut. What the people want.
What? Wait, who are we here on? Whose violation is today? All right. Oh, Mr. Verdoot, you're here to cause some trouble, I see. This is 250941, the people versus Jessica Glask, Jezerski. All right, go ahead, counsel.
James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Jezerski. I just received the file today, and she's gone over her rights. There's no questions regarding her rights, but we're requesting a hearing in this matter. I'm asking the court for an adjournment so I can review the file and be brought up to date with this matter.
All right, well, where you should start is you should ask Ms. Wagaman to play you the audio of a call that was submitted to her where Ms. Wagaman contacted the defendant about not having any contact yet again with the complaining witness. And she hung up with him and then immediately called the complaining witness and had a phone call based on her call with Aaron. That might be a good, I'll adjourn it, Mr. Gizicki. I'm just telling you that might, you don't have to go into it too much. You could just listen to that call. She has a no contact order. How many times do I have to tell you that? How many times?
I understand.
No, you don't understand. Because no, and what did I tell you? What did I tell you when he calls you? What did I say?
No.
And what'd you do? Instead, talk. You are not supposed to be talking to him by my court order. And this is the second time I've seen you. And the last time I said, this is ridiculous. Don't cry now. Last time I said, this is ridiculous because he's contacting her and these two are going back and forth. And then I counseled you and said, do not respond to him. If you respond to him, I'm going to put you in jail. There's no contact. And you can't listen. I mean, you can't. And Mr. Verdoot, don't think you're cute because I'll see you next week on a violation. Am I seeing him this week?
No, he'll be here next week.
He'll be here next week. You two are toxic. And this is what's irritating me. You're wasting time on the criminal justice system's time on whatever you two have going on between you. You're wasting the time of the courts. You're using the criminal justice system. Mr. Verdoot, I'm looking at you. You're using the criminal justice system to deal with your two little petty problems. That's what you're doing. And I'm tired of it. And what's becoming clear to me is that maybe probation's not suitable for either of you on your cases. And maybe it'd be best if you just do your jail time and we get this over with. Because I am not going to play this game. I'm not going to ask Ms. Wagaman to play this game for much longer. This is it. So we'll set it for a hearing. Mr. Verdoot, I assume you'll be recording when she calls you after this hearing. Make sure that Ms. Wagaman gets that, because next, if you call him in between now and your hearing, you have any contact with him whatsoever, I want to be clear. I am revoking your probation and I am locking you up for 90 days. One time. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
One time. If she gets one thing that is from right now at this moment, at what time is it? 3:57, Monday, September 22nd to next week when we have your hearing, bring your toothbrush and wear a sports bra because you're going to jail. Got it?
Got it.
All right, we'll set it for a hearing. And Mr. Verdoot, your violation, you better come in person. Don't show up on Zoom. All right, we have everybody. We're on record 250572SM, the state of Michigan versus Marion Williford.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Williford.
All right, and I've got the complaining witness present here. I've got Mr. Wilford in custody. I know that, it looks like an offer was made and the people and defense counsel, you're not taking
On
that out.
advice of defense, advice of counsel, defendant's going to decline that. And then we're going to ask for personal bond. Or some kind of
Okay.
bond adjustment.
Mr. Williford, listen to me.
Yes, but
I'm inclined to give you your bond, but here's the thing that's exhausting to me, and maybe you've learned something. When you have a court date, you come. And you come on time. Do you understand me?
yes, ma'am.
And you follow my bond conditions, but when I've set a jury trial and someone shows up as late as you did, you're paying for that. I mean, if you get found guilty or plead guilty, I wrote it right on your file. You owe this court $306 in costs. That is unacceptable.
Yes,
Miss
ma'am.
Louie, anything? Here's the problem. Let me just say this. If I kept him in custody because he showed up an hour and a half late for his jury trial and the jury been excused, I don't have a jury trial date until January. So I'm not gonna, it's longer than he could even do, you know, on this offense.
Your Honor, all I can say is, I believe it's your.
All right, January 16th for a jury trial.
That works.
All right, jury trial is January 16th at Mr. Wilford
Yes,
at 9 a.m. And when I say 9 a.m., that means I want to call the jury in at 9. You should be here at 8:30.
yes, ma'am.
That's the next jury trial date I have. So let's bond. He had, what was his bond previously before I?
That on Friday was $25,000.
Yeah, I mean, previously at a 10. I'm reinstating as, he's still, I didn't forfeit his bond. Have there been any issues that I need to know about?
Well, Your Honor, the complainant witness has stated that during the child exchanges, she does have trouble with him. So for example, she told me that September 1st, I believe they do it at Lincoln Park Police Department. She was going to take the baby out of the car and he stood in front of the door and wouldn't let her close it. He was just kind of taunting her.
The young lady's in the court, Your Honor.
What's that?
The young lady, right?
No, she's on Zoom. All right, so listen to me, Mr. Williford. I'm giving you your personal bond. If you miss a court date, I will hold you until the court date. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, Mr. Williford, when you and Miss Moorhead do a parenting time exchange, you stay out of her way. You
Right.
don't disrespect. Listen, no assaultive behavior. You don't disrespect her. You don't argue. You hand the baby over or she hands the baby to you and that's it. And if there's anything more than that, I'm putting you back in. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. The day we meet at the station, so it's like I don't, like.
Just don't, listen, make this easy. Don't mess your kid's life up. All previous conditions, his bond's reduced to 5,000 personal back to what it was. Or whatever it was prior, because I'm looking at the date and it looks like he did post something because he has money at 10% at the court. So whatever the 10% was. I think it's 6,000, 10%. All right, we're all set. We've got a jury trial. We'll see everyone back then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Show up.
Hang on, I got
You found it.
this.
All right.
And him, you can sit
And Mr. Wilford, let them know you're done at the jail.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.